Alright, so hello again. Here we are. Let's keep going. Doing more problems. Let's take a moment to make sure the audio is working. I'll pop out the chat in a second. We'll work on the next question. It's going to be queens that can attack. More problems. Let's take a moment to make sure the queens that can attack the king. Number 1222. Okay. Have to forgive me. Sometimes I get kind of just get really down. No. Just get really down, and it's hard sometimes to keep it together. Can be hard sometimes for me to keep it together. I think I'll be alright though. I think I'll be alright. It's kind of like a chess game, you know, you have to really be careful with your moves. It's a game of attrition. It's a game of attrition. It can be very difficult at times. Okay. I stay focused. Queens that can attack the king. On a zero-indexed 8x8 chessboard, there can be multiple black queens and one white king. You are given a 2D integer array queens, where queens of I is x queens of I, y queens of I, represents the position of the ith black queen on the chessboard. You are also given an integer array king. I wonder if this is row column. Integer array king of length 2, where king is x king, y king, represents the position of the white king. Return the coordinates of the black queens that can directly attack the king. You may return the answer in any order. Okay. How many queens are there? It's only 64. Queen's length, king's length, at most 64. These given positions are unique. Pretty low submission rate, but very high acceptance rate for the ones that did. I don't think this is that hard, quite frankly. Oh, maybe it's a little harder than I realized. Okay. Well, the queens are on the board. Oh, I see. Okay. Alright. So these three can directly attack the king, and these ones can't. I mean, basically just, it's at most 9 queens, and it's just the nearest queen on each of these lines, if it exists. Turn the answer in any order, return the coordinates of the queens that can directly attack. Okay, I want to say this is not such a hard question. Yeah. I mean, the easiest thing to do is just go in each direction from the starting point of the king. Down, up, left, right, right diagonal, right into the left diagonal, or excuse me, right and up diagonal, right and down diagonal, left and down diagonal, left and up diagonal. Right, I mean, these are, dropping frames, oh no. Oh no. These things would be, it's probably the easiest way to do this. Just dump all the queens into a hash set to check. Could just use an unordered map or just a regular set. Yes, these are vectors. Actually, easier would be to convert to use a hash set. Even easier than a hash set would be a Boolean array, and just convert each of these to the keys in the Boolean array. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. All right. Yeah, all right. I think I have an idea how to do this. Okay, ready? Is that how we're gonna do it? How am I doing on time? 5 minutes? Okay. So Boolean array has queen. It's gonna be 64. Yeah, 64. Constant n. Or just say board size. False, right? And then for each queen, B0, B is V1. Key is going to be length. Yeah, I mean, this is like m rows and columns. Maybe something like this. And then just say has queen of key is true. Right? That's encoded. And then I'm going to say for each direction, so 2 loops. And yeah. So, excuse me. Yeah, there's at most 8 positions for the result. So we're going to say int r is king 0, c is king 1. Also making sure that that's correct. So the king is 0, 0. Yeah, okay. That's good. So this king should be 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. It would be better if they had a king that was like, well, okay, let's do this queen 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty sure it's row column. I'm just gonna go with row column. I'm trying to identify like one of the queens. 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think it's row column. Anyway, so D row is going to be 0. D column is going to be 1. And the way this is going to work, you have 4 directions. I is less than 4. Standard swap dr dc. dc times equals -1. Okay. Constant new row is going to be row plus dr. New column is going to be column plus dc. Going in these 4 different directions, starting from the position of the king. So if inbounds of, so new row is greater than 0, and new row is less than the number of m rows, and new column is greater than 0, and new column is less than n columns, and has queen of new row, new column, then no. So there's another loop. Okay. For really while, actually. Well, this and not has queen. Let's do starting row, starting column. Let's do it this way. Have a for loop. Row is starting row. Column is starting column. And the row and the column, we got row is greater than or equal to 0, and row is less than m rows, and column is greater than or equal to 0, and column is less than the number of columns, and this position doesn't have a queen, then I'm going to keep incrementing by drdc. Okay. And okay. And then we say if has queen, if we're in bounds, we have a queen, then salt that push back, or in place back. Well, I'm not really sure, actually. I think I want to do it this way. Let's do pushback for now. Row column. Okay. It's something like this. It's something like this. And the big difference here is going to be this starts off at the bottom right, down one row, over one column. It goes in each all four directions, and this one will go in the other four directions. Yeah, I think it's that simple. Oh, and has queen. It's going to be not RC, but R times M rows plus C. And here, same thing, R times M rows plus C. One slight difference here. Maybe I should actually have the, maybe I should make this a Boolean like double array instead of, like this may not be as efficient as it could be. I'm actually not sure about that. Let me run this and see what I get. I do it on time, 13 minutes. Oh, that's right. Okay. Maybe I just go for it. I don't know. Let's see if I have any mistakes. Oh, got it. Nice. That's what I like to see. All right, I'll submit this 4 more times and then we'll go on to the next question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I should actually switch the Boolean array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, nope, 100%. Got there. 1, 2. Yeah, so it's kind of unfortunate that my thumbnail doesn't show. When I take a thumbnail, it doesn't show me the this amount, 100%. It's too hard to see, quite frankly. That's pretty good. Okay, I like that. All right, very good. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop the stream and restart our new question. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe for more. All right, take care.